the Wish Group of the Year is...
Cup of Joe! Nang damdamin ko. Wow! Thank you so much po, Wish. Hindi po kami nakapag-ready ng speech, dalawa lang. So in-expect namin yung kanina. Hindi po talaga namin ito in-expect. Gusto po ulit namin pasalamatan ng aming fans or jowas. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Gusto po namin i-congratulate lahat po ng aming fellow OPM artists. You inspire us so much. Maraming salamat po sa pag-raise ng bandera ng OPM. Proud na proud po kami sa nagawa natin last year. Hopefully this year, mas maraming heights pa po yung magawa natin. And ayun po, gusto ko lang po ulit sabihin yung message na gusto namin iparating. If you're also one of those who had to sacrifice a lot to reach their dreams, if you're also one of those na high schoolers lang noon na sobrang taas ng pangarap, if you're also one of those who feel like you don't belong sa norms ng society, if you're also one of those na feel nyo hindi nyo kayang gawin dahil part kayo ng queer community, sana po ay you were able to see a glimpse of your faces in ours. And maraming salamat po sa recognition na to. Mabuhay ang OPM. Love you.
Congratulations,
Multo Cup of Joe!
Hello po. Good evening. Una-una, thank you po sa mga jowas. Thank you dahil since day one nandyan kayo to support us. And di namin akalain na abot sa ganito yung multo. So we're very thankful sa inyo. And sa lahat ng mga tumulong sa amin, sa team namin, syempre thank you. Special shoutout ulit sa kuya ko na kasama ko nagsulat ng multo, Kuya Red, what's up? And ayun, thank you dahil minulto kayong lahat. Pagpatuloy nyo lang, thank you po.
Love you, Four of Spades!
Congratulations, Cup of Joe!
What's up, Wishers? Maraming salamat po, Wish, for this recognition. Gusto po namin pasalamatan lahat ng team behind Multo, of course, our producer, Mr. Shadiel Chan. Jobel Rivera, ang aming mastering engineer, si Sir John Cortez, our band, Kuya Abner, Kuya Chavez, Cairo, and sa buong Stardust team. We're currently on tour, kaya excited kaming multuhin pa kayong lahat. Of course, yung co-writer ko ni Rapa sa Multo, si Kuya Red Ridao. Maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. Sana hindi pa rin kayo makalaya this year. Joas, we love you!